What's up, you guys? It's your girl Roz, and I'm back with another simple video. So today we're going to be doing a quick overview. You might hear me talking a little fast, but I just want to show you guys what my dining room is looking like right now. This is the up-to-date version, and I finally got to do something I want. And it's a little crazy looking right now, but it's still pretty. So we're going to get right into it. So these shears were $5 a piece, and like I said, everything is from Family Dollar. And they're very light, and as you can see, you kind of see through them. And I'm using these to cover up my furnace that it was very ugly and it didn't go well with the look of my dining room table. These, with this rod, it comes with 3 of those little hanging things, and it's very light, and I just love because it has like this flow to it. And with the curtain being up as high as it is, it doesn't touch the ground because my son likes to run around and I didn't want him stepping on it. And when I vacuum, I don't have to move anything. So this is just a plus for me, you guys. So that is like the main scenery of the room. Then we have my mirrors and my candle holders. I think I false the information in here with the candles. I think you get 3 for $3. And I got 2 sets of those, and the mirrors were $7 a piece, but I used a $25 coupon, you know, spend $25 get $5 off, and I end up only spending $21. So with this placement set, I got a bowl, plate, and cup for $15 for set, which is perfect. And then the 4 gold plates underneath her that were $1 a piece, as well as the placemats underneath, and they didn't look really good to me at first because they look like something you would see like in a stainless steel kitchen or something like that, but it went well as I, you know, overviewed it and looked at it for a while. So these chairs, you guys, they were $100, $109.99 from Amazon, and these are perfect. These chairs force you to have good back posture. It forces you to sit up, and you cannot really slouch in these chairs, which is perfect for us. And as you can see, it's very soft and cushiony, and if I want to buy it without the cushion, it would have been $75.99. So that was perfect, and I just love this, you guys. I will be doing another updated video like I said, but this is just a quick overview. So the little elephant man in the middle was the incense holder. He was $3 with the sticks included, and the 2 vases, you guys see, they were $1 a piece, and the things like the walnuts and everything inside, they were $2 a bag. So that was just phenomenal. So when I went and purchased everything, it was like $50-some compared to, you know, like I said, I spent about $200, but I still had stuff that I already had, you know, from previously, and I just left it the way it was and just added more into the room. But I will give a breakdown of that when I do an official video. So you guys, that is basically it for my quick overview. I hope you guys liked what you seen, and you guys be able to ball on a budget as well and still look decent. Like, this looks very beautiful. So if you guys like to see more and you're waiting for the upcoming video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Look at that beautiful dining room, y'all. Look at me trying to get the thumbnail. Gotta hold it. Well, until next time, see you guys.